Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all? I hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Today we will discuss about the keylogger, okay? How we can design a keylogger in a Python. So first of all, you should know what is the keylogger and how it works. So keylogger is basically a software. So typically it will store your keystroke in a small text file. So this is suppose my text file header.txt or HaiderTech. I will say HaiderTech.txt. So this is the file. So all the keystroke, all the key, whatever the key I will press, it will store in HaiderTech.txt file. Okay, so it will log all the keystroke, okay, all the keystroke in this text file. So and in the next video I will show you how you can email to your these keystroke to in your email, okay? And this is the basically the power of your Python program. So what is the basic purpose behind this keylogger is basically you should learn the power of Python. I mean to say you should know how much Python is powerful, what type of software you can design if you will learn a Python, okay? So let me run and you will understand by yourself here. So this is the Python program here. So we import the logging and we import these files and the modules in our in a Python. So I will not so if we will run this one, so it will do, it will store the keystroke. So whatever the key I will press from my keyboard, it will store in this file, okay? And execute this program. First of all, I would like to
wait a minute,
give you a disclaimer here. So especially this video and this channel, HaiderTech channel, does not promote or encourage any illegal activity. All the contents provided by this channel is meant for the educational purpose only. So this video is also for the educational purpose, and at least you will get some awareness. Now let me run the program and you will see how we can log the keystroke, okay? Now we can run it from here. So because this is a Python program and I already saved it in a folder. So let me run and you will see how you can log the keystrokes, okay? Now it will save the keystroke in this file. Let me run. Now you can see now this Python program is running, and you will see here. Now if I will open any here, see here, so if I will type here password, okay, so password, so it will see here, this is my password. See, so whatever the password I will enter, so it will save in HaiderTech.txt file. So let me show you here. So see here, so this is the HaiderTech, so this is the file. So let me open, okay? So now here you can see here, so PASSWORD password. So all the keystroke is stored in this HaiderTech.txt file, okay? So this is only for the educational purpose, okay? So don't use for any illegal activity. So now you can see here, so even if you will stop this, it is running at the back end. So now if you will see here, it is running at the back end. I will show you. So if you will just press Ctrl Alt Del and here go to the task manager, and here see here learn, so end the task, and then you can see here, so now it is ended. So that's all for today, and thanks for watching. Thank you.